Hello there, in this video I will show you how to stop Google Chrome or Brave browser running in the background when closed using Windows PC. So let's get started. As you can see here, my Brave browser is running on the background, but my browser is closed. So let's see how to fix it. Open your browser and go to Settings. Click on System. Now turn off this option. After that, I hope your problem will be fixed. Let's see how you fix this issue on Google Chrome browser. Go to Settings. Click on System, then turn off these options. That's it. Thanks for watching.